Hello students, welcome all of you to study at home. Today we will discuss the prepositions. There are three sentences. Read, there is a cow in the field. He is fond of tea. The cat jumped off the chair. There are three sentences and there are three words in red colors in, of and of. These are called prepositions because in the first sentence there is a cow in the field. In the word in is showing the relations between cow and the field. So we can say that it is prepositions. In second sentence the word of shows the relations between fond and tea. In the third sentence of the chair, of is a preposition because of shows the relation between jumped and the chair. Definitions. The preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show in what relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. The word preposition means that which is placed before. In sentence 1, the preposition joins a noun to another noun. In second sentence, the preposition joins a noun to an adjective. In third sentence, the preposition joins a noun to a verb. The following preposition requires special notice. We can use in or at with the name of cities, towns or villages. In most cases in is used. We use in when we are talking about a place as an area. We use at when we see it as a point. We stayed in Mumbai for 5 years. Mumbai is a city, so we use preposition here in. In second sentence, at is used here before Mumbai, but here Mumbai is not a city but it is a Mumbai airport. So we use here preposition at and here preposition in because Mumbai is here as a city. How long have you lived in this village? It is a village, so we use here preposition in. We use at to talk about group activities and shops, workplace. Did you see Sonia at the party? Party is a group activity, so we use here prepositions at. There weren't many people at the meetings. Meeting is also group activity and workplace maybe, so we use here prepositions at. We use in with the name of streets and at when we give the house number. He lives in Mandir Streets. We are talking here streets, so we use in as a prepositions. He lives at 40 Mandir Streets. It means that we are talking about the house number. So we use here prepositions at. We use on when we think of a place as a surface. The dog is lying on the floor. It means it is a solid. And we use here on. Wall is also surface. We are talking about surface and it is solid, so we use here prepositions on. Till is used for time. Till is used of time and to is used of place. We slept till 8 o'clock. We are talking here about time, so we use here till. We walk to the end of the street. We are talking here about place, so we use here to. With often denotes the instrument and by the agent. He killed two birds with one stone. We use here prepositions with because one stone is an instrument. So we use here prepositions with. He was stabbed by a man with a knife. Here we use prepositions by and with. Before a man we use it here by because it is agent, not instrument. A knife is an instrument, so we use here prepositions with. Since is used before a noun or phrase denoting some point of time in the perfect tenses. I have eaten nothing since yesterday. He has been ill since Monday last. Here, yesterday and Monday last is considered as a point of time, so we use here prepositions since. I have not been smoking since last week. Last week is also considered as point of time, so we use preposition here since. For is used before a noun or phrase denoting some period of time in the perfect tense. He has been ill for 2 days. We are talking here period of times, so we use here prepositions for. I have not been smoking for 2 hours. Here we are talking about period of time, so we use prepositions for. Here I discussed some rules about prepositions. Thank you for watching.